Today we're going to show you how to use the ultimate service trick shot that's going to make you win those 20-20 tiebreakers every time. It's primarily used in singles, doing a high serve but faking into short serve. But what's different about this trick shot, you're kind of doing like a reverse slice that your opponents will be shocked every time that the bird just lands right in front of them. Also, thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. You guys made this happen, so we will make more videos happen for you. This shot will require you to have 3 essential skills down already. One is the high serve, second is the low serve, and third is this reverse slice movement with your fingers and wrists. But we'll break it down for you one step at a time. First is our high serve. From our high serve, we're gonna be starting from our shoulder width apart in our stance, and we're gonna be pointing our toes slightly outwards. Now from here, we want to turn sideways with our front foot facing slightly more forwards than the back foot, and this will be our service stance, shoulder width apart. From this position, we're going to be raising our arms kind of like rectangular U. So our arms will be up like this. This will be our one position. Our second position will be guiding our hips and then elbows leading forward while pulling back our wrists. This will be our second position. Our third position will be releasing our wrist fingers all the way forward and upwards into a full service motion, and then after we contact the bird, following through. So to review that motion, it's gonna be 1, our rectangular U, 2, leading with our hips all the way forward, momentum on our front foot, leading with our elbow and wrist back, and 3, releasing upwards and following through. Now let's show you how to do the most optimal forehand short serve. So first we're going to start in our normal position as a high serve. Start with our U into our number 2. Now the main difference between the high serve and the short serve is going to be this follow through. In the high serve, you follow through upwards and all the way. Whereas in the short serve, your wrist will not be following through as much. You'll try to maintain it in our 2 position, and just from this position, follow through lightly. So instead of flicking up with our wrist, we're gonna follow through from our 2 position and just move it forward. Now our third part is going to be the trick shot part, and that's adding our reverse slice motion into our high serve, into short serve. So first, how do we do this motion? It's gonna be something along of the pronation of our wrist and fingers in a wrapping motion from the right to the left. 1 is going to be our grip. So when we're doing the reverse slice, we are pronating our wrist in a circular motion from right to left, in a U motion around, kind of like you're doing, imagine there's a ball here and you're doing Tai Chi around the ball with your hands, okay? It's gonna be the same as a racket motion. Now, the ball is still here, and as you're doing Tai Chi, you want to do it like you're really pretty. So you're also moving your fingers at the same time, flowing through around this ball. And that's what's gonna be turning the face of your racket. 1 is the motion of your wrist. Second is the rotation of your fingers. You wanna use this motion and have your racket wrap around the bird. So you're not hitting the bird directly. It's gonna be kind of like a 70% hitting, 30% slice. Now how do we add that into the serve? We are doing an underhand like this motion, okay? So we're flipping it over. With the high serve reverse slice, you maintain your swing speed so that it still looks like you're serving high, but the shuttle will go low. So next time you play a game and it's 19-all, just imagine my face and my voice in your head saying, use the trick shot.